Hey everyone, today we are diving into everything we know about the highly anticipated Redmi Note 14 series so far. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. The Redmi Note 14 series is expected to launch next month with three models: Redmi Note 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Plus. The Redmi Note 14 5G might feature a 5K AMOLED display, an upgrade from the FHD panel on the Redmi Note 30. It's expected to come with the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus chipset and a 50 MP primary camera. The series will likely have a 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. There are also rumors about enhanced software updates and unique functionality. Global variants might arrive in early 2025. Stay tuned for more details on pricing. That's everything we know about the Redmi Note 14 series so far. If you're excited, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.